In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Ask Where to Save Files before downloading Chrome. This should be a quick and easy process. All you have to do is to open up your browser and just go ahead to the top right, the icon menu, go ahead and click on it. So after you do that, go ahead, scroll down, click on Settings. And now just go to the left, click on Downloads. After that, just click on Ask Where to Save each file before downloading. Make sure it's toggled on. So this way you enable Ask Where to Save files before downloading any file or any app on Google Chrome. If you go ahead and download the app, for example, Chrome Offline Installer, you can go ahead, click on that, then just click on Download Chrome. And when you click on Download, it will ask you where to save files before downloading. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.